Hello there, this is Onur from Needle, and in today's video I want to show you how we use Needle, add Needle to move the needle. So the other day I wanted to reach out to some of our users to collect some feedback on our product, and I knew that some of them we have already reached out before. So I needed to come up with a list of users which we didn't reach out yet, and for that purpose I decided to use Needle. So let me show you how that works. Here I'm looking at a collection, and in this collection I already connected Gmail. As you can see, search is now enabled for emails. I'm going to paste the prompt over here, and to explain it to you quickly, these are the emails I want to contact. There are a bunch of them, there are like hundreds of them, and then I'm instructing Needle to search the Gmail sent emails and identify which ones that are already contacted. Let's go ahead. And as you can see, in a matter of seconds, Needle can identify which emails are those ones, and I can do a follow-up on that and ask which are the emails that are now not contacted. And just like that, I am able to get this data in the format I like, that is CSV. I can now import this data into my CRM system and do a mass outreach if I want to. And I think this is a very good example how AI can be powerful, especially powerful when it's combined with your favorite tools that you are using at your work day to day. That's all from my side for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to discover more about Needle, you can visit our website, needle-ai.com. See you in the next video then. Bye.